Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this today's video, I want to discuss my weekly plays that I did on Mara. As you know that the Bitcoin is kind of crossed 50,000 mark this past week, right? And the main beneficiary for that is Mara, which is a Bitcoin mining company. And I'm trying to make a quick wheel strategy on that, and I want to show you how much I made with that. And I'm not currently owning any of the Mara stock, but I have made over $600 in that. So I'm gonna discuss how you can too in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so these are my Mara plays that I did in last couple of weeks. So as you can see, I started with a put, and then I think that Mara took a dip that week, and then I was assigned in that, and then I was continuously selling covered calls over that. And then this week it was called away because again it was kind of moved over $30, but it came back again around, I believe right now it's running around 25 mark, and I am running one more cash secured put. So overall, if you see right in this, I made in total about 597, which is close to $600 in that trade, right? So which is if you look at from a ROI standpoint, there is a phenomenal ROI on your invested capital, right? You do have to mind that Mara is not a stock that you would like long term in your portfolio, because they have diluted their shares pretty much very often, which is not a good sign. But right now, looking at the Bitcoin kind of how that's behaving right now, right, I don't think there would be this is a good time for at least until we see any sign of crypto market going down again. Till that time, if you want to make money out of that, this is a good time to run a quick wheel on Mara. And I'm gonna discuss these quick plays in detail if you are not familiar with how you can do the similar thing. So let's quickly discuss on that. And also guys, if you wanna have a like a detailed look on how the wheel strategy works, then I would recommend you to watch this video, which I'm gonna kind of link down in the description as well, and I'm gonna put a screenshot here. So do check that out if you're not familiar with the overall wheel strategy, how it works. In this video, I'm gonna quickly discuss the two step that it needs, which is a cash secured put and a covered call, right? So let's quickly discuss both of them here. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood portfolio, and as you can see that I'm not currently owning any of the Mara stock. I just have one position open, which is a cash secured put, for which I'm already up around 30% on this, which I will most likely close it next week based on how Mara performs. So I'm hoping that it would be more than 25 next week. If it dips, no problem, I can be assigned, and then I can do the repeat the same thing, the covered call. And that's the beauty of the wheelie strategy, right? You can be assigned, there's no issues, you can start selling the covered call, right? So let's discuss the plays that I did last week, right? So let me go to the history here, right? So as you can see, these are all the plays that I did. Okay, so let me quickly take one example, right, on how it works. So if you look at I did sell Amara cash secured put here, right, and I collected $111 in this one. And then if you look at this is a 17 put, right? So I think I bought it, right? So if you look at here, right, 216, I bought it back for $20, right? So this is what I was showing here, right? So if you look at, I sold it for here $111, and then I bought it back, because I remember the Mara is kind of a volatile stock, so you don't have to hold it till the expiry. You can always close it before that. So that's what I did here, right? I closed it early. And if you look at here, right, so 17.1, so this is that play, right? So I made $91 on that play, right? So that's what that's how you can take advantage of the volatility that you would see in stocks like Mara, where the IV, the implied volatility is pretty high, and that's very good as an option seller. It's not a good thing when you are actually on the buying side, because when you are on the buying side, the IV kind of goes against you, and the time is also goes against you. But if you are as an option seller, and that's what I am, right? So if you are option seller, the IV is kind of help you make more premium out of this, right? So that's this play, right? And if you look at other plays, right, which I started doing the covered call. If you see here, I sold this covered call as again 216 right here for $50. So I collected $50. This is just the opposite of selling the cash secured put, right? So all these this covered call and cash secured put, right, step by step in Robinhood. If you wanna check, I have already explained this in my other videos, so I'm not gonna do a deep dive on here. I will quickly I will link those videos and down in the description. You can definitely check them out. I do have a playlist as well for all Robinhood plays. All these strategies I have explained in quick 5 minutes, so you can definitely check that playlist as well. Okay, so this was it, guys. I think this is currently open, and these were my plays for this week, and I will continue to do this for at least a month. If you look at here, right, in the overall profit that you are making here is pretty high, and without holding any of this stock, right? So that's what I wanted to tell, that you can also do the same thing. Just keep in mind the risk that you are taking, so don't go too high on this. Keep your portfolio size minimum. At least if you have, let's say, $50,000 portfolio, I would say stick to like maximum like 2,500 to $5,000 only as a risk amount. And because they are volatile, so you never know, it kind of completely correlates to the crypto market, so you have to kind of keep a good watch on what crypto is doing. And as soon as you see a downturn coming, you can quickly get out of these positions, right? But until the time when the crypto is kind of on an uptrend, you can make good money on doing this Mara trades, right? So definitely, guys, do check out the other videos that I have linked in the description. You will get more idea on how to execute this successfully. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. I make a lot of videos around options trading, and I believe you would definitely benefit out of that. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.